In this video, I will show you how to add manufacturing parameters. To have an overview of your already existing manufacturing parameters, you go to Libraries and select the manufacturing settings. There you have an overview of all your already implemented manufacturing settings. It can be for die casting, CNC milling, 3D printing, or sheet metal forming. If you want to add a new set of parameters, you click the Add Manufacturing button. You give it a name. You add a description. And you select the type of manufacturing. For CNC milling, you need to give a minimal tool size, which can be 2 millimeters, and the depth of your milling path, which normally corresponds with the height of your design space. Last but not least, you must select the axis of the three-axis milling.